Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, if you like the content we're producing and you would like to be updated to it on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and you can follow me individually on Twitter at justanalysis1. Taking a look at Solana here, it looks very much like it's attempting to enter into recovery mode that will see it push towards that $300 mark. There's a prior bull flag channel that it broke down below on the 10th of December and kind of sustained these drives lower that we've experienced really ever since the high was formed back in November. So it's had a pretty steep drop. When you measure it as a measure of percentage from the prior all-time high to the lowest low that we've gone so far, it's a 43% drop. So that seems like a lot, but really these kinds of moves in a bull market are totally normal for cryptocurrencies, which is the only market you can say that, where a 30 to 40% drop is a normal pullback range. And that is very true. So it's returned back inside the bull flag, and it's got some pressure up ahead of it, so at around that $200 level. That is the zone that's going to be the most contentious, because I mean the $200 level, that's a normal psychological number, but that's where Senko Span B is at. That's where the top of the bull flag is at, and then you have the Kijun Sen in there as well. The other part about this is that if Solana gets up to that zone and the composite index is higher than the peak that was here on December 2nd, that creates hidden bearish divergence, and then we're likely to see it face a lot of selling pressure further south. Currently, I mean, the RSI was in bull market territory. I actually have to adjust it back into bear market conditions. So in a bear market, the RSI, now that doesn't mean that the underlying instrument is in a bear market. That's just how the RSI functions now. It changed about 15 years ago or so. So when the RSI is in its bear market, the overbought levels are 55 and 65, and the oversold levels are 30 and 20. And so we're just kind of in the mid there. And yes, I mean, when you're looking at this, you can just kind of, if you know how the RSI works, you've been doing this for a while, you just kind of can anticipate where the RSI is going to be trading. If Solana does move up to $200, it's going to get to that resistance range. It'll be pressing up against the first overbought condition at 55, and it'll likely create hidden bearish divergence, creating conditions where it'll likely face some selling pressure. Ultimately, for Solana to go into a full-blown bull mode, we're going to need it to return to at least $222. That will position it back above the cloud and the composite index above the candlesticks and in open space. That does it for me. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.